Coming up to the detail shop and the Wild Willies shop, and this beauty just is a stone cold stunner, y'all. A beautiful F-250 Akins 4 Platinum, 6-inch lifted on 38s. I love to see that right there. You got the fuel crank wheel, looks amazing. Big Daddy Scott Younger is about to do our next Western Reserve Edition on the antimatter beauty right there. But tell me it doesn't look so amazing on the 38s, the 6-inch with a 38s. That proportion and balance right there is money. I love it, y'all. That is a true statement right there. And notate too that the Ridge Grappler tire chose to go with the more shouldered block style, so it has that trail grappler appearance to it with that sidewall sticking on the outward. Typically the more inward side is a little bit more jagged. You see there, more of a jagged, more native to the Ridge Grappler there. But while we're under here, BDS dual steering stabilizer, keeping things shored up nice and clean. Got the BDS kit with the Fox shocks. I got BDS rear radius arm as well. With no paint, it's a great balance because you got the milling in the wheel to tie in with the exhaust, applique, chrome door handles, greer, mirror caps, and more. But if you're gonna do a 6-inch lift, you gotta run 38s. You have to. We also have AFE rear diff cover. We tried Mag High Tech, we tried Banks, and we just know and believe that the AFE and the Banks are probably the most legit overall as far as just dispersion and heat regulation. Just looks totally legit with an Akins liner, guaranteed for life. Let's head it in the detail shop now to get ready. It's going to Florida. Dayton Overstreet was the salesperson. Joey took care of this one. Y'all, you know, it is a huge, bolsterous truck. I'm very proud of it. And to the customer, I know you've been watching our videos because you're on the 38s, big dog. Thanks so much. That means everything. Look at that roller. Look at that roller. My gosh, what a big truck. My 10-inch on 40s is going to be huge. This truck right here is huge. I still think this will be a great daily driver though. Looks great. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace out.